In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete the YouTube search history on a computer, and at the end I will show you how to do the same on a mobile phone, so do not worry what device you have right now at your hand. So that being said, in order to delete the YouTube search history, the one that will stay right here, well, you'll have to go to the history, you'll find it right here, press on it. For the computer, now select clear watch history from the top right hand corner and press one more time on clear watch history, and this will delete all your videos which you watch together with your searches on YouTube. Now that being said, let's see how can we do the same on a mobile phone. So for those who want to delete the YouTube search history together with your entire history, open the YouTube application. Once it's open, press on your profile icon from the bottom right hand corner. Now press on the gear icon from the top right. Okay. And select manage all history from here, tap on it, and now what's left to do, you can press on the delete button from here, and you can delete the today history, a custom range if you want to delete a specific period of time or delete all time, which I will select. I want to delete my entire history and press on delete. So this is how to delete the YouTube search history on a mobile phone as well. Thanks for watching and bye bye.